So if you want to post content, but you don't know exactly what type of content do you want to post, and you don't even know if you want to show your face or not, then this video is for you. Because by the end of this video, you will have a clear, actionable roadmap that you can follow to figure out what type of content do you want to post, if you want to show your face or not, and how to make the type of content that you want to post. And because all of you want to see authority, that I know what I'm talking about. These two YouTube play buttons are from two Faceless YouTube channels, and here am I showing my face, building my personal brand too. And I've been making content for about 4 years now. So there you go, I know what I'm talking about, so just listen and take notes. So the first question you have to answer is if you want to show your face or you want to stay behind the shadows and make faceless content. So there are pros and cons of both. So if you show your face, you can build deep trust faster. It's easier to monetize through sponsorships, and you can build a stronger community around your content. But it requires being on camera, and it takes time to film, and you have less privacy because you show your face. On the other hand, if you decide to build a faceless brand, you have the most privacy. Nobody can know who you are. It is highly scalable because you don't have to film content every time you want to post, so you can literally outsource everything. But the downside of a faceless brand is that it's harder to build trust with an audience, and it's highly competitive because most people don't want to show their face, so most people are making faceless content. And there is a middle ground where you basically make an AI avatar. You can make up a person with AI and use AI tools to make realistic videos that look like a real person. Or you can clone yourself basically, and that way you are the face of the content, but you don't have to film every piece of content because your AI avatar will do that for you. And if you want me to make a full tutorial about that, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to make one for you. So after you decided you want to go faceless or show your face, here's the next step. You have to figure out what to post and how to make that type of content. So if you want to build like a faceless YouTube channel that I'm building a couple of in the background, then you can actually just watch that video where I show how to do that. But actually you want to do an ikigai, and if you don't know what it is, I will type it out here. So basically what it means is you have to figure out what you're good at, what are your interests, what do you enjoy doing, and what the market, the audience actually watches. And from all of these, you have to find a middle ground where you can post content that interests you and it's interesting for the audience, and you enjoy filming it, you enjoy doing the content, editing, everything, because otherwise you will just burn out, and that's not what you want to do. And if you don't really have any specific interest in anything, or you don't have any special skills in anything, then you can actually film your journey of finding what interests you and learning something. Many creators do that, and they are going viral because they relate to a lot of people, because most people don't know what they want in life even, and they don't have any skills, any talent basically. So it's a pretty relatable content where you just trying to figure out what do you want to do with your life and what are your learning. So you can go a lot of ways, so don't be discouraged if you don't have any skills to teach, because you can just start making content about that, and then you will have the skill to make content. So then you can teach that maybe. Then teach people how to find what they are good at, or what their interests are, or even how to learn a new skill. So if you've been taking notes, which I highly recommend, then after this video you should just go through everything and figure out exactly your niche, what are your interests, and what type of content do you want to post, because it's different for everyone. So I can't give you an exact type of content that you should post, because what might work for me might not work for you, or what might interest me might not interest you. You might not want to do faceless YouTube channels. You might want to do faceless YouTube channels. So you have to figure this out, and maybe go back in the video and take notes if you haven't, and then based on that you can figure out what to do. And at first Trust me, you don't need a fancy camera. You can just film on your phone. This is right here is my phone, so I'm actually filming on my phone right now. So don't worry about that. I don't even know what type of camera should I buy, and I'm not planning on buying a camera because it's just a headache for me. It's much easier to film on a phone, and if the content is good enough for people to watch, then you don't have to have a fancy camera just to have a fancy camera. And again, if you are interested in the faceless route, then go watch that video right there. And if you want the AI avatar, then I will make a tutorial about that. And in this channel I will showcase mostly AI tools, how to make content with AI and how to make content generally, videos like this. So if you're interested in that, feel free to subscribe. That supports the channel and it's greatly appreciated. And don't be discouraged because everyone has a lot of views and a lot of subscribers, because every big creator, Mr. Beast, even started with 0 followers, 0 subscribers, 0 views. So you just basically have to make videos and learn from the mistakes you make, learn from everything, watch the analytics of the videos, watch the comments, get feedback and improve with every video that you make. So right now, don't just close this video and go to the next one. Actually sit down, get a sheet of paper and a pen and figure out your content style, figure out what do you want to post, figure out if you want to show your face, and if you figured out what do you want to post, then just comment below and I will answer every comment and I will help you choose your niche, your type of content. So just comment below and I'm happy to answer everything. And if this video was helpful for you in any way, if you hit the like button and subscribe and drop the comment, that's highly appreciated and I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to keep creating and don't give up on your dream just because you don't know how to start, because all you have to do is just actually start.